Welcome everyone, Eugene here, Hughes Motorized. Alright, check out this scooter I got here. This is the Caroma E68 Pro scooter. It's a 10-inch scooter. It's going to take me about 10 minutes to unpack this thing until the time that I push the power button and I'm ready to go tearing down the road there. So setup was a breeze. It arrived in great shape, no damage to it whatsoever. Get all the tie wraps off. You get the front steering post up. You get the rear seat post up, latched into position, latch the seat down into the post there. Now we got to get the handlebars on. It's a pretty simple way to put these things on. They just go into the opening. You press the little spring-loaded pin. It pops into position. You're locked into place. Press and hold on the power button and you're ready to go, okay? So let's go over the specs of this thing here. You have got a 500 watt 48 volt motor on this bad boy here. You've got solid wheels on it. You're never going to get a flat. Yep, you're never going to be knowing the fun of replacing a tube and a tire on your little scooter. Trust me, you'll get over it. Now, sometimes scooters with solid tires are a little bit more stiffer. You get a little bit more road feedback, but this one's got a little secret under the bottom there. You've got a rear suspension with a shock absorber underneath it, smooths out the ride. So the ride quality is excellent on this scooter here. Alright, so let's go over all the bells and whistles on this thing here. Yep, you got the little ding 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 bell on it here, get people out your way. You got a grab handle under the seat, makes it a little bit easier to maneuver it around. This thing is foldable. You saw when I set it up here. First thing, all you do, you loosen the clamp for the seat, pull the seat up. You have the latch lever on the rear seat post. You have a locking pin you press in. The seat post folds over. You undo the latch on the front steering column. See where my finger is pointing there? There's a little hook. Now that hook hooks onto the rear fender there, and then you can just grab and go. Okay, it's foldable, it fits compact here. Got 20 miles, 25 miles of range on it depending upon rider weight and the terrain. You have a 48 volt 7.8 amp hour battery underneath the deck there. Of course it comes with the charger. The scooter comes with front brakes only, and that's not really a problem. You can stop from full speed 20 miles an hour in 30 feet. Yes, did I mention that the handlebars, the height is adjustable? You just loosen the little locking lever, give it a pop, and it's up and down there. Alright, let's go over the controls. Yep, there's your front brake lever. You know what the brake does on this thing. Like I said, stops it within 30 feet here. You have the power button, press down, hold on it. You hear the beep beep, the computer wakes up. You have a thumb actuated throttle here on the right hand side just underneath the power button. If you notice I'm pressing on it, it's not going anywhere. That's a safety feature. You've got to give the scooter just a little bit of a push forward. Then you apply the throttle on it and she goes down the road. Alright, so let's take a look at the left hand side, the little 4-button control pad there. Okay, so when you first start off, you're in first gear. The little plus button is what you use to change the gears. First gear, it goes up to 10 miles an hour. Second gear goes up to 15. Third gear goes up to 20. You have the headlight button on it here, closest to the little display. You short press on the headlight button. Headlight and the tail light comes on. When you pull in on the brake, the tail light flashes as well. You have a nice little deck light underneath that flashes too. When you long press on the headlight button, the deck light comes on along with the front headlight and the rear tail light. So it's pretty cool. They're going to see you rolling at night, okay? Those lights are pretty cool there. All right, so let's feel the wind in our hair and go for a ride. Let's put it in second gear. More speed, third gear. 17 miles an hour, 18 miles an hour, 19 miles an hour. Now we're hitting 20. Hit the brake. Okay, so I give this scooter a big thumbs up. Check the link down below for where to buy it. Right now it's about $359 on Amazon, and compared to some of the other scooters I've seen, that is very well priced, well built, well designed scooter. I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. If you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care now, you hear?